Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sam. Um, Yesterday I came across this wonderful platform that's soon to be launched, and what they do is they help enable EOS token holders to generate passive income with their EOS. Right now, we have same service on Steam blockchain. I think that service is offered by Mino Booster and Block Trades. Now, what this does is now let's assume you wanted 10,000 steam power, right, for a project, and to get 10,000 steam power, one steam is around $2.91. So 10,000 steam power will cost you 10,000 times 2.93, about $29,000. Now, but what if you don't have and if you don't have this $29,000, what are you gonna do? Give up on your project? No, you can actually get this 10,000 steam power delegated to you to use for a period of time, right? And it will cost you way lower, right? It will cost you just about 1,000, almost 1,200 steam to do that, as against 29,000 steam. That will save a lot of money. Now, that's good, right? And also that service is available on Mino Booster, right? So what happens is this: when you decide to rent or to lease steam power, right? Now, whoever delegates um that steam power to you, we get paid for doing that. Now, the same thing will be available on EOS now through this company, Chintai. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. All right. So what do they do now? Um, let's go through it here. Chintai is a fully functional token leasing platform that would allow EOS token holders to generate income through token leasing, right? While in turn providing critical resources needed by dApp developers, right? So this is the point I'm trying to make. Right, so you can actually generate passive income, right, on EOS now with this company. Now you can come to this website. I'll drop the link and see what they have to offer. All right, so they have robust token leasing marketplace, lightning fast order execution, feeless transactions, right? There will be no fee, all right? Right, sophisticated order type functionality, highly liquid boundary delegation, secure and transparent arbitrary accessibility. Right, so this is their roadmap. The white paper has been released already. Right, I'll drop the link to the white paper, and I think I've gone through the white paper already. Okay, by August they will have enhanced. Okay, June basic lease contract functionality. You guys can come here and check what they have. So this is their team. You can connect with some of them on linked, all right, and on Telegram. I'll drop the link to their Telegram group, and this is their advisor. Now they have several blog producers supporting them already, right? So sorry, several blog producer candidates. All right, so US 42, US New York, US Detroit, US Fair, US Social, US OCal, all right, US Tribe, and US Duck. Now, US Duck actually cost a pump yesterday. I and just in case you don't know, if you have EOS on Open Ledger, that is BitShares exchange, you're gonna get the EOS Duck airdrop, right? I think I saw a notice, right? Open Ledger Dex to support the EOS Duck airdrop, right? So and that is happening when the airdrop will take place on April 15th, right? So if you have your EOS on BitShares, Open Ledger, and you're good to go, right? So back to where we were. All right, so I think this is good news, and I think I need to read this to you guys. So these are some important questions. Is Chintai owned by a blog producer? No, definitely. And there's a part. Okay, this other part. Now, will Block One be developing a token leasing platform? If not, why? Well, the core mission of Block.one at this point in time will be to ensure the EOS software is ready for launch. They have confirmed. Now, this is very important. They have confirmed they will not be developing a fully operational token leasing dApp upon launch of the platform in June. All right, so this is where these guys come into play. So um, this will be like the minnow booster or the block trade of EOS on EOS blockchain. All right, no, the minnow booster on Steam, block trade on Steam, but these guys be on EOS. All right, so there are lots of information on this website, and if you want to get more updates, you just put your email here and subscribe. All right, so I would advise you go through the white paper. I've already gone through the white paper, and it's okay. I think this is it right here. Okay, it's actually not too long, right? So it's very easy to understand. They have how they're going to deal with bad actors. Um, they have storage leasing. It's all explained here. Ethical leasing, advanced leasing, where you can lease in advance. In advance, you have a project coming on. All right. In the longer term, we okay. You can read that up, right? It's actually very simple to understand, and I love the fact where I love when they said one Larima, right? As if Larima is a currency. I like that. Okay, forward leases. All right, this is what I was trying to say before, where you can lease in advance. If you have a lease going on, you can decide to auto renew your 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 the EOS you list, right? Let's assume you had this for 90 days, and for some reason you need some extra 90 days. You can decide to auto renew, right? That is exactly what it means here, auto renew. um it's actually very short. You guys can go through it and see what these guys have to offer. Well, I this is not working right now because the EOS blockchain is not yet out, has not been released. So, but I believe that this will help um those who want to quickly sell off their EOS for quick profits to hold it. You don't have to sell it off. Why should you sell off your EOS tokens when you can actually make some passive income with it? All right. So that's that about this project. You can follow these guys on Twitter to see to get good updates. Okay, this is their Twitter handle. All right. So I think this project is gonna be awesome. All right. So you guys can check it out and come to this website. Well, thanks for watching. And remember, I said OpenLedger is supporting EOS Duck. All right. So if you have your BitShares on, rather, if you have your EOS on BitShares, you're gonna get airdrop. All right. Thanks for visiting my channel today. Do it to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.